Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a quick tour through Drax Hall and we're going to look at the Boot Drax Hall gas station. It's one of the nicest gas stations in Jamaica. It's not the largest, that's the Fesco on the boulevard, but this is definitely one of the nicest and more modern gas stations. So there it is on the left. Now they have a plaza built around this gas station. This is it, Boot. There is a call center at the top, IBIX, and then there are supermarkets straight ahead, and then you have the pumps. So there is a pharmacy. Oh, it's actually being extended. Alright, so that's the Booth service station. Okay, so we're going back. We're in Drax Hall now, so we're going to continue driving through Drax Hall and taking a tour of the area. Now, Drax Hall is one of the fastest, it is the fastest growing community in Jamaica. And a lot of infrastructure is being put in because there are so many homes in this area and so many more being built that originally Drax Hall was just a small residential community on the outskirts of Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay. So it didn't have any major infrastructure like supermarkets. It had just one gas station because you would find all of that in Ocho Rios or St. Anne's Bay. But the area has grown so much with thousands of homes being built and thousands more under construction that you find, for example, KFC. They've built a location here in Drax Hall, and KFC has a location in Ocho Rios, which is 5 minutes away, and they have a location in St. Anne's Bay, which is also 5 minutes away. So that just gives you an idea of the population that's here. Now, another Progressive Foods, they have a supermarket in Ocho Rios, yet they're building another one in Drax Hall because there are just so many people in Drax Hall. Starbucks has set up a location. Sakura Restaurant has a location in Ocho Rios, and they're setting up another one in Drax Hall. That kind of development is going on, and a lot of other plazas are going up. On the right is where you find the KFC, the Pizza Hut, the Starbucks, the Sakura, CPJ's over there. Knutsford Express has a plaza over here. All along this stretch, left and right, you see development going on. We'll keep you guys updated with all the developments, but this is just because the area is growing so fast and everything is going up so quickly. On the left now is another plaza that's being built. on the right now is some very it's a residential area. They have like a lot of different developments over there. Okay, and right as we leave there, see, we're in St. Anne's Bay now. Probably less than a minute's drive from Drax Hall. And it's the same thing on the other side. If you were going in the other direction, you would head to... Okay, you see that ditch in the road? You can bet money that Water Commission did that. And that's the state they leave the road in. A main road. This is a northern coastal highway. And that's the state they leave the road in. Oh boy. Alright, if we were to head in the opposite direction, when we leave Drax Hall, we'd go, it takes about 5 minutes to get to Ocho Rios. And although St. Anne's Bay is the capital of St. Anne, Ocho Rios is the main town. As a matter of fact, Ocho Rios should be a city. It has everything you need. It should be a city. I'm not sure why it isn't, but it is far more developed than St. Anne's Bay. Alright, so we'll continue our journey. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day. Oh, this is the main entrance to St. Anne's Bay here on the left.